Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make quiz in Google Forms. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, for you to create a quiz in Google Form, we need to actually access a specific setting here. So first things first, we want to go ahead and click on the blank form option here since we want to create a new one. Now, by the way, I'm assuming here you already know the basics on how to add different questions here. But just in case, if you want to add a question, you can go ahead and click on the plus button here or edit the already existing one. So for example, if you want to edit this one, you can change with what type of question. So either short answer, drop down, or check boxes. So typically a quiz will contain or will usually use multiple choice or drop down here. So in this case, go ahead and choose the appropriate one here and add your questions, the name of the quiz itself, and some description here just to describe your quiz. Now, in this case, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your settings here, and you want to make sure that the make this quiz option is actually enabled. So once you enable this, you have the options to edit your quiz. So in this case, you have the option when the marks will actually be released. So in this case, if you want to use this repeatedly for different classes, I would suggest you to actually use the later after manual review. But if you're just using this for one class, you could go ahead and use the immediately after each submission option here. This would actually be a more stable option. But in this case, you have the missed questions option as well, correct answers, point values, and a lot of those details. In this case, go ahead and enable or disable all the information or setting that you want here. And from then on, start editing your quiz here in Google Forms. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.